let's do a corner record, or finish one off anyway. The certificate has been started. It's right here. This is our property lot 4 with this map 5051. North south bearings are just north. And just checking the bearings, checking the cert. Southwest 88, 5128. Okay, so the cert's close. We just need to add in what we found in the field. So we want to import the data. So let's jump into model space, and then we will import that little guy, plus sign, go and find it. Always make sure it's on PNASD when you import, and then I always add it to a point group. It's in the template. I always go field trip 1 GPS. If it's total station, use that, and then there's room for field trip 2. If you ever want to make your own, you just click this and then type it in, whatever you want. You could say topo or GPS trip 3, or anyway, this is GPS trip 1, so I'll just type that in. Then it puts it in there, add points to this, yes, and hit OK. They should land right when you put them in. Okay, so this is the what we use for the stakeout sheet. Looks like we found 1, 2, 3. They all look pretty good. So then you just go around, check them. See a line bust there. Snaps on. It's within 2.5 tenths. It's within 4 tenths, so a little off there. And that's within a tenth. So hard to say what we calibrated to, because nothing's landing perfect. So it might have been a multiple point calibration, it looks like. So then I'm just cruising around, like trying to figure out how to best fit these, what we can use for a basis of bearing if we need to set this northeast corner, which it looks like we do. So let's try to line up these 2 points up here. I'm not sure what this line is. I'm going to delete it. So then next thing you want to do is pop your layers out. And then I was click once, control all, hit the lock button, click back anywhere in here, find them. It used to be monuments, now it's points, I believe. Points, unlock points only. Everything's locked except for the points. So now you can move points around. The only rule in moving points is you gotta move them all. Do not move one. You can move them anywhere you want. Just gotta move them all together. As soon as you do something like that, then the whole data set's screwed up. I'm gonna hit undo. Okay, so let's see what happens if we hold the basis for this guy, which was, oops, missed it. Move. And then to rotate into this line, you can see it's off a little. So now we're going to rotate them in. So I'm going to go rotate command, select all. Then I'm going to hit this as the base point. And then it's giving me options down here. Rotate, rotation angle, copy reference. We're going to do reference. So I type in R, and then I right click. And then the reference angle is going to start from there. Left click. This takes a while to get used to. Then you click on what you want to rotate. I want to rotate this guy, right? And I usually go out here because then it snaps to the node, or go out here just in case, because you don't want to hit that. And now we're rotating. Oops. Forget what I just said. Let's do that again. You do want to click this snap right on the dealio, I guess. Try again. Rotate. Left click, right click, base point. By reference, right click, left click the base. Come in rotating points based, as you can see, based on that. We're holding that top right and we're rotating the points together. So now we have our basis of bearings, and we know the top one's money. This one is 0.15 off, so we can make a tiny adjustment there, but let's see how the rest of it looks. 5 inches. 0.27. I don't know what that's referencing. Okay, so it's nothing too great so far. Might need some more data. It would have been nice to pick up a point here, a point here, maybe something to the right. This is what we talked about in the field. Once things are goofy and you're staking out 5 inches off here, then yeah, go get something over here. This one is in the middle of space. I'm not sure where that one was found, but would have been nice to find something over on this lot. Would have been nice to look for these. So we'll probably have to go back out before we can set this corner, because it's based on that. I'm not sure if it's enough. But anyway, that's the game. So like I said, that one's money. If we were going to continue this, then we know this is 0.15 off, so I usually do a little circle. I do a circle from the corner of the property. You can't quite see because that line is in there. I'm just going to turn that layer off so you can see it. So I want the circle to be half the distance from the monument that's off, so we're going to split the difference when we move these points again. So it was at 0.15, so now I'm going to go 0.075. I think we'll be pretty close to middle, close enough anyway, within thousandths. And then I'm going to extend this line. I can't because the layer's off. Layer's back on. Extend the line. Turn layers back off. Points. There it is. SV points. Okay, and now everything's locked except the points, so then I'll just move these guys right on the line. So I selected them all. I'm going to move it from there to there. So now we have, this one is 0.075 off the corner, and then this one is 0.080 off the corner. Got it? So they're both, I'll split the difference, right? That's what they say. That one's a little over the line. 0.33, it's almost worth resetting there, but we'll probably hold it. And this one, 5 inches. So yeah, I might want to get some more data in the field, but anyway, I just want to show you how to rotate points after you bring it in. Hopefully that helps. Alright, thanks, bye.